Fifth standard students, now see on trip to Red Fort. When we reached Red Fort, there was a long queue for tickets. The main entrance is called Lahori Gate. After entering it, we turned left into a long corridor with little shops on both sides. This is called Meena Bazaar. I bought some lovely bangles from there for my sister. You can see Lahori Gate, then Meena Bazaar and Red Fort Lal Killa. And map. You can see Red Fort, map of Red Fort. Here east, west, north, south. Lahori Gate, Subhash Mark, and scale is taken 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. Okay. You can go straight through Nakkar Khana and reach Diwan Am. This is where the king used to meet the common people. Now Nakkar Khana, where the drums were beaten to shout out king's message. नक्कर खाना क्या, जहाँ से अनाउंस किया जाता है कुछ भी messages. And then walking straight from Diwan Am, we saw Rang Mahal. It is a beautiful building. There were 3 more buildings on our left side. Look for this on the map. So we'll observe the map. We walked left from Rang Mahal. Diwan Khas was where the king used to meet his ministers and other important, that means important people, that means celebrities or in the other countries ministers and khas log जिनको के हम कह सकते हैं. From the right, Rang Mahal, Aram Gah and Diwan Khas. Inside Rang Mahal, inside Diwan Khas. How they both look like from inside. Find out from map 4. Okay. Which of this is nearer to river Yamuna? The Diwan Am or the Diwan Khas? Between which 2 buildings is Aram Gah? Which buildings do you pass while going from Rang Mahal to the Hammam? Which building on this map is farthest from Meena Bazaar? About how far is Lahori Gate from Diwan Khas? So now we will study the map. First again we can see Nakkar Khana, then Diwan Am, from the Diwan Am, Rang Mahal to Diwan Khas. And you know the meaning of Hammam? Find, then I will tell you. Now find out from map 4. Which of this is nearer to river Yamuna? The Diwan Am or the Diwan Khas? Okay. Yamuna is here, so Diwan Khas is here, and Diwan Am, so it is nearer Diwan Khas. Okay. Now again the second question is, इन्हें मैप भी एक उस पर ही देना चाहिए था ना. The map should be given on the same page where the questions are asking. Between which 2 buildings is Aram Gah? So Aram Gah is here, and one building is Rang Mahal and another building is Diwan Khas. Okay. So between Diwan Khas and Rang Mahal. Which buildings do you pass while going from Rang Mahal to the Hammam? So from the Rang Mahal to go Hammam, Aram Gah and Diwan Khas. So Aram Gah is not building, Diwan Khas. Okay, because building symbols they are using. Now which building on this map is farthest from Meena Bazaar? So Meena Bazaar. So which building is farthest from the Meena Bazaar? Rang Mahal. Then about how far is Lahori Gate from Diwan Khas? So Lahori Gate from Diwan Khas is here. Lahori Gate is here. You will measure this and multiply by 100. So with the help of ruler, you will measure this distance, multiply by 100. You will get your answer. Okay.